Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you a Python script or a module which can communicate to the YouTube data API to get all the videos in a particular playlist. So we will look at this module first of all. This module is ScrapeTube. If you go to the website, so this is the command here to install this module, pip install ScrapeTube. I've already installed it. So this actually communicates with the YouTube data API to fetch the data. So we will look at this example. So first of all, you just need to import this package ScrapeTube. After that, we will declare a videos, and then we will initialize this ScrapeTube dot, and it contains this method which is get playlist. So here you need to paste the address of the YouTube playlist from which you are fetching the videos. So this method expects you to paste the address right here. So this will be the ID of the playlist. So go to any playlist in the YouTube. Let's suppose I take my channel playlist. So if you open this playlist here, if I open this in the new tab, this is actually the playlist ID right here. So this is the ID. You need to simply paste it. So simply copy. You can see this playlist ID. You just need to paste right here in double quotes. After pasting it, it will return all the videos. So we can loop through this array for video and videos, and we can print out the video ID. And also the title. So if you run this now, you will see it will return out all the videos which are present in this playlist. This is the title, this is the video ID. So if you just print out this video, this is actually an object here, so it will return out JSON. If I refresh, you will see that this is returned the JSON array of videos. Each video has some properties, you will see. So in this easy way guys, you can see we have video ID, thumbnail, everything is there. If you can definitely make a very awesome application of playlist finder where user will input this playlist ID and you will return or display all the YouTube video. And there is a second option you can pass here, limit as well. So if you only want to return 5 videos, you can put this option or restriction, limit is equal to 5. So now what happens, it only returns the 5 videos data. So if I only print out video ID, so now it only returns the 5 videos. So you can even filter out, restrict the results as well. So this is actually a great package guys. You can see we haven't used the YouTube any API key. It's totally free. You can do this unlimited number of time. It's actually scraping the results from YouTube website, and it is using the YouTube data API in the background. This is the API to collect the data. So definitely use this module guys. It's very popular. I personally tried this. So also check out my website freemediatools.com which contains thousands of tools.